Are you tired of guessing how many Salesforce licenses you have left? Learn exactly where to check your total, used, and remaining licenses in under 60 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, from the gear icon to the company information page, then straight to the user licenses section. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Then, click on Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. In the Quick Find box on the left, type in Company. Now, click on Company Information from the search results. Scroll down to the User Licenses section to see the license details. Here you'll find the license type. We'll focus on total licenses. Next, check the used licenses to see how many are in use. And finally, note the remaining licenses to know what's left. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.